Hey, how's it going, everyone? Welcome to day one of trading before work. We're going to be seeing the markets. ODIS. ODIS was the only stock that was up, but honestly, it was 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, all the way to 13. But it had a massive seller here, almost at 14, 13.50, and it just came out of nowhere and rejected the whole thing back down to 10, which was pretty bad, to be honest. So we're going to be looking at it, see if there's anything else that's moving, but to be honest, I don't think there's going to be a possibility of having this recover at all. I think, to be honest, there's something else that's worthwhile. Click, no. TX, no, this one's volume is dead. Okay, link, sort of going up. Then MACD is no, this one's just bad. This one's just bad in general. I mean, it's going up. It is going up. But right now, what I'm worried that I might flush. Let's see, link. Yeah, that's the rejection right there. 575, 5. Unless it gets support on 5. I don't know what I'm taking that risk right now. 519, how's the spread? 4-cent spread. Okay, no, it's not holding. There's a big seller at 5. They want to live past 5. Alright, we're gonna be looking at this real quick. It's going back. It's going back, but the problem is it gonna hold? It's 5:45. I mean, it's going. You wanna take a I don't know. That's gonna be my sell price. So 540. $550. Let's see if it holds 550. Say 540, 530. That's rejection at 539. So there we go. 566. I got out of it. See, that's the thing. It's not deciding. Lost 17 here. Yeah, so that's the thing. Right now, $17. Good thing I got out. There's a massive rejection. I was hoping this was gonna go break 575, but Obviously did not. So here's the, yeah, there's no, you just have to wait a little bit. That's a massive drop. Yeah, we're gonna be seeing this. We're gonna be here into market open 6:30, and then just gonna watch the market after that. See how. Nothing's holding. See, that's the issue. So the issue right here is that it's not holding three. So now it's just going down. Or is it also going out? Yeah, I think today's gonna risk. The risk is massive, to be honest, on everything right now. Otis is holding, but it's barely holding up in 10, and it was at 14 at one point. So that's something in the backside. Everything's on the backside for now. All right, I think today's going to be a loss, $17.97. Took that trade on Link, but as you can tell, that was not ideal. But here at 566, hoping it was going to break this level here at 575, but obviously did not break that and started going down. So the 548 loss was supposed to be a little tighter, but I couldn't get out fast enough. Yeah, so wasn't holding. Fell all the way back to 5, and then just massive selling after that. So I'm glad I got out. To be honest, I could have been there longer. I could have hold longer, but the loss would have been bigger. It was not going to be even worth it. To be honest, I don't even know why was the reason to get on there. So I am gonna call it for today. I am not gonna be trading it anything probably. It's just like a yeah. I think I'm gonna be leave it for now. I'm just looking at it. I'm just staring at it. I'm just looking at it, and I don't see the big benefit from actually staying that long. Loss from Link. I mean, I don't blame myself. I mean, I have to blame myself, but then again, 656, waited for 675, and it was just not ideal. I have to just take defeat and just gonna see reality as it is. This volume is going down. I mean, I can hold 3, but then again, I'm just trying to make something work. All right, so this was gonna be this was my first day trading video live. I am gonna be back tomorrow. This was not even ideal, to be honest, to take that trade, but hey, I am gonna go for now and see what we can do tomorrow. All right, we tried. We really tried. We tried to make the best out of it. I was trying to see if there was anything moving, but I mean, it's not even worth it. What are we gonna be saying here if we're gonna be taking risks if it's not even worth it? It's not worth it. And I mean, yeah, Link was showing signs that it's gonna be doing something massive because it was up from 4. I think the early entries were around 4 or 5, but I mean, that's an issue on our side. I mean, if we saw this kind of climbing and rejecting once, we should have kind of just waited to see if actually resolved. But no, I tried to see the breakout right here. Breakouts have not been working for the last couple of days, so it's not worth it. I think it's not worth it. It's not ideal. This is gonna be my first day, and it's gonna be a loss, which is fine. I mean, I kind of expected this market has been kind of rough this whole year. So this makes sense to actually keep pushing and trying to do something that's not worth it. So I'm gonna be on here for 5 more minutes. I'm not gonna be trading this penny stock, to be honest. Now I don't even know why I took that position on Link, to be honest. Yeah, it looked good, but damn, Link is actually even below the opening price. That's crazy. Look at that. I was up 359. Started off at 359 the day before, and now it's at below $3, which is crazy. So right here, yeah, it's just crazy how this is at 365 the day before, the day prior, goes up to 5.6, and then just rejects and breaks the level before even lower than the day before, which is insane. So that's just gonna gives us an idea of what the market's gonna be looking like, and it's not even gonna give us any chance of trying to recover anything back. So I don't even know if it's even makes sense to actually take the risk on anything at this point. Yeah, is it worth looking? Yeah, we can look at it. We can see what we can do. We can try to see what we can recover, but why take that risk if we know that's not going to be ideal for anything? So I'm going to be looking at the next 4 minutes, and I don't think today's going to be the day again. It was Otis, ODYS, and this was great in the morning. Right here, I want to start this candle over candle with candle 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this was an awesome trade here from 8:36 all the way to 8:41. 5 minutes of good candle over candle, but the issue is that I did not trade this, or I did not have anything set up until probably around 9 in the morning. So not a good way to start them on a Monday. It might come back, might curl back, but we are definitely in the backside, that's for sure. Right now, this is sideways action here, choppiness, chop. So I'm not even gonna take the risk on it. I'm gonna wait 9:20. Gonna try to break out this 975. I don't know. I just don't trust anything right now. If it goes above the BWAP, we have to get it before the BWAP. After the BWAP, it might be too risky. Let's see. What's the... It's not holding. 985. It's struggling. $4 loss. Yeah, I don't know. It's not going. And there's a rejection. $20. Nah, yeah. I'm just wasting my time with both of them. With Otis and Link. Alright. Okay, I think that's it. That was the first video of day 1. And obviously it's not the time to be taking risk. This is rejecting now. I was hoping it was going to pop 980 and go to 10, but nothing's going to go. Everything's going to be pretty much failing throughout the day. Alright guys, so 9:20, we'll call it a day. Short video today, short live stream. There's no point of actually taking a loss here if it's already, well, taking more losses than I already did. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a nice day. See you around.